Welcome to today's episode. In this video, we're diving deep into the ongoing tech race between the BRICS nations, led by China and the United States. We'll explore the implications of this race on the economy, society, and military, as well as provide some fascinating examples. We'll also discuss how the space race fits into this competition. So, grab a seat, and let's get started. The tech race defined. First, let's set the stage. The tech race between BRICS and the United States is all about achieving technological superiority. This competition is primarily focused on key industries like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, biotechnology, telecommunications, and space exploration. These technologies have the potential to reshape the global economic landscape and shift the balance of power among nations. But why does this race matter? Well, technology has become an integral part of our lives, and the nations leading this race will be able to shape the future in ways that align with their interests and values. Technology has always been a driving force behind economic growth and national power. As we enter a new era of innovation marked by rapid advancements in areas like AI, quantum computing, and biotechnology, the stakes of this race are higher than ever. The countries that can harness these technologies most effectively will have a significant advantage in the global arena, shaping not only their own future but also the future of the entire world. Key players and examples. Host. Now that we have a better understanding of the tech race, let's dive into the key players and examples from both sides. China, BRICS. 1. Huawei, China's leading telecommunications company, responsible for the development of 5G networks. 1. The company has faced controversies related to security concerns and intellectual property theft but continues to expand its global presence. 1. Huawei's research on 6G is also underway, which could revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. 2. Baidu, the Chinese search engine giant, investing heavily in artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles. 2. Baidu's Apollo project aims to develop a fully autonomous driving system by 2025. 2. Baidu's AI platform, Baidu Brain, is an open-source platform for machine learning and deep learning, which has potential applications in various industries. 3. Tencent, a massive conglomerate focusing on AI, gaming, and social media. 3. Tencent's WeChat app has become a one-stop shop for various services, including payments and e-commerce, while its AI research focuses on natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. 3. Tencent also invests in AI-powered healthcare, supporting early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. 4. Alibaba, the e-commerce giant, with a focus on cloud computing and big data. 4. Its cloud computing subsidiary, Alibaba Cloud, is the largest in China and third largest globally. 4. Alibaba's AI research includes machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, with potential applications in retail, logistics, and manufacturing. United States. 1. Google. With projects like DeepMind and Waymo, Google is pushing the boundaries of AI and autonomous vehicles. 1. DeepMind's AlphaGo AI made headlines when it defeated the world champion in the complex game of Go. 1. Google's AI research spans various applications, from healthcare to natural disaster prediction and response. 2. Amazon. Dominating the e-commerce space and investing heavily in AI through Amazon Web Services, AWS. 2. Amazon's AI research spans robotics, machine learning, and voice recognition technology, powering products like the Amazon Echo. 2. Amazon's drone delivery service, Prime Air, is another example of how AI is revolutionizing industries. 3. Apple, known for its cutting-edge devices and research in areas like augmented reality and AI. 3. Apple's acquisition of AI startups like Turi and Silk Labs highlights its commitment to staying at the forefront of technology. 3. Apple's Siri and its applications in smart home technology are examples of how AI integration is becoming ubiquitous in our daily lives. 4. Microsoft, a leader in cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity. 4. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform competes with Amazon and Google, and its AI research spans natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. 4. Microsoft's HoloLens, an augmented reality headset, showcases how mixed reality technology can transform industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and education. The space race connection. An important aspect of the tech race is the renewed interest in space exploration. Both BRICS and the United States are investing heavily in this area. The space race has potential applications in telecommunications, resource extraction, and military technology. China. 1. China's space program has made significant strides, with its Chang'e lunar exploration program and Mars rover, Tianwen-1. 2. The Chinese space station, Tiangong, is another major achievement and demonstrates China's commitment to becoming a space power. 3. China has also invested in satellite technology for telecommunications and military purposes, launching the Beidou satellite navigation system as an alternative to the American GPS system. United States. 1. NASA's Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the Moon by 2024 and establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. 2. SpaceX, a private company founded by Elon Musk, has revolutionized space travel with its reusable rocket technology and ambitious plans for Mars colonization. 3. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is also focused on reusable rocket technology and aims to establish a human presence on the Moon and beyond. Economic implications. The tech race's economic implications are profound. The winners stand to reap massive rewards in the form of job creation, increased productivity, and economic growth. However, the competition also raises concerns about intellectual property theft, protectionism, and the potential for a global tech divide. 1. Intellectual property theft. Both sides have accused each other of stealing technology and trade secrets, leading to distrust and strained diplomatic relations. 2. Protectionism. As countries try to protect their technological advancements, protectionist policies might emerge, potentially hindering global collaboration and trade. 3. Tech divide. Wealthier nations may gain a significant advantage in the tech race, leading to a growing divide between developed and developing countries, exacerbating global inequality. Social implications. The tech race's social implications are equally important. For example, there's the potential for increased surveillance and privacy concerns, particularly with the growth of AI and biometric technology. Additionally, the race may exacerbate the digital divide and inequality, as access to advanced technology is often limited to wealthier nations and individuals. 1. Surveillance. The proliferation of AI-powered surveillance technology, such as facial recognition and biometric data collection, raises concerns about privacy and civil liberties. 2. Digital divide. As advanced technology becomes more prevalent, those without access risk being left behind, potentially widening the gap between the haves and have-nots. 3. Inequality. The concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few major tech companies may lead to further income inequality and social unrest. Military implications. Finally, let's explore the military implications of this tech race. Superior technology can provide a significant advantage in warfare, and both sides are investing heavily in areas like drone technology, hypersonic missiles, and cyber warfare capabilities. This can lead to an arms race and increased tensions on a global scale. 1. Drone technology. Both sides are investing in drone technology for surveillance and combat, with autonomous drones capable of making decisions without human intervention. 1. These drones can perform tasks such as reconnaissance, target acquisition, and strike missions, giving the countries an edge in warfare. 2. Hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, making them difficult to intercept. 2. Both the United States and China are investing in this technology to gain an edge in warfare. 2. These missiles can carry conventional or nuclear warheads, raising concerns about the escalation of military conflicts. 3. Cyber warfare. Cyberattacks can cripple infrastructure and cause significant economic damage. 3. Both sides are ramping up their cyber warfare capabilities, leading to concerns about escalating conflicts in cyberspace. 3. As nations become more reliant on technology for critical infrastructure, the threat of cyberattacks becomes even more significant. Future outlook and international cooperation. As the tech race continues to intensify, it's essential to consider the possibilities for international cooperation and collaboration. While competition can drive innovation, collaboration can also lead to breakthroughs that benefit everyone. 1. International partnerships. Collaborative efforts, such as the International Space Station, demonstrate the potential for countries to work together on scientific and technological advancements. 1. By pooling resources and expertise, nations can achieve more significant progress in areas like space exploration, AI, and quantum computing. 2. Shared standards and regulations. Developing shared standards and regulations for emerging technologies can help ensure their ethical and responsible use. 2. This includes issues such as data privacy, AI ethics, and space debris management. 3. Addressing global challenges. Many of the most pressing global challenges, such as climate change and pandemic response, require international cooperation and the development of innovative solutions. 3. The tech race can be a driving force behind addressing these challenges if countries work together to develop and share new technologies. Conclusion. The tech race between BRICS and the United States has far-reaching implications for the global economy, society, and military. As the world becomes more interconnected, the stakes of this competition grow higher, and the outcome will shape our future in ways we can't even imagine. The inclusion of the space race adds another layer of complexity and urgency to this global competition. While the tech race is often framed as a zero-sum game, it's essential to recognize the potential for collaboration and shared progress. By working together on shared challenges and promoting the responsible development and use of technology, nations can ensure that the benefits of the tech race are felt by all. That's all for today's episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in technology and geopolitics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.